Hey awesome fans, me Megashark, and today I'm playing delicious cooking and romance. So let's get to it. Oh, hey ads. Okay. Let's see. Now that we're all here, spit it out. What's the big news? They're filming an original Heartbreak Channel romantic comedy right here in Slougford. Who's they? The two strangers asking all the questions. Gar Coslow and Adra Leclerc. This could be huge for Slougford. And for Grace, of course, she's always been a gifted actress. That's not what she's acting coach told me after class of wine or two. What was that? They said they'll be casted locals as extras, maybe even for walk-on parts with line or two. Emily, they want to film your restaurants. Do you realize what this means? I'm going to be a star. Prepare pizza. Okay. You want... How do I do a... I'm trying. That's what I'm trying to do. There we go. Hang on, sir, I'm coming. You want this and you want... Hang on, ma'am, coming. What you two want? You want two of these? I've no idea what they are. You want... Where's... Oh, over there. I'm doing fast as I can. You want a pizza? Hang on. I'm trying. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Slow down. You want a pizza? There you go. I'm doing as fast as I can. Hang on, sir. I burned it. I'm trying my best. There we go. Oh, my back. Sorry. I forgot to tell you, they asked me to keep the movie a secret for now, so play it cool. Out Hollywood VIPs coming through. This table's reserved for the next 3 months. Friends, ghosts. Well, I suppose the cat's out of the bag. Sean Stepford, Mayor of Snugford. I understand you're interested in shooting a movie here. Indeed, Snugford, rough around the edges, charm and lack of suffocation are perfect. Mrs. O'Malley, we were hoping to talk to you about filming at your restaurants. I appreciate it, I do, but I'm not interested. No. Do I have to? Go away. I hate ads. Okay. If you two are going to give me the silent treatment because you at least prep the silverware while you're at it, I'll do what I can to implement and discussion personal about tax debates with the town council. Perfect. Thank you. When we will get to meet this talent daughter of yours. Sharon, have we thought about traffic control, street parking, foot traffic? Emily is the president of Sockville Chamber of Commerce. We have a shooting schedule for everyone to look at very soon. In fact, Emily, that's why we're here. Do you have a moment? Okay, you want this, you want... How am I gonna do this in time? I need to be as quick as possible. Okay, what do you want? 2 of these and the pizza. Okay, calm down. Everyone calm down. You want silverware? You want this? You want a pizza? Oh my goodness, I'm trying to fast as I can. I keep hitting the wrong button. I'm trying to quick as possible. Hang on, guys. Oh my gosh. Ah! Oh, shoot. I'm doing as quick as I can. Move. I keep hitting the wrong button. I keep hitting the wrong button. Okay. There we go. Oh my gosh. Emily, the food here is amazing. I spent some time in Europe learning to cook. Naples lets me scratch that itch, experiment more. Both restaurants are perfect for a movie. Emily's Place feels like the de facto town square. I appreciate it, however, just got Earthers up and running. I don't want to upset my customers by closing either of them down, even for a day. See, the beauty of it, we don't want to close them at all during our shoots. Your customers will be paid extras and you get paid for the shoot. The privacy won't hurt either. But really, that's the tip of the iceberg. We need at all of our sets. We have a gorgeous bouquet. Please send me the details. I'll draw up a proposal for the catering and we'll go from there. Hey, you. Okay, what's in here? What do I want? Okay. That'll be it for now, awesome fans. Don't forget to hit that like button and please subscribe. I need 1,000 subscribers, please. And don't forget to comment down below. Have a nice day, awesome fans. Bye.